Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'll show you how I shorten this t-shirt. As you can see, this t-shirt is a little bit too long for me. First, I will pin the length, what I want. I'm folding original hem up, so this is the length, and I'm pinning the front edge like that. So I'm happy with this length. Next, I will shorten this t-shirt, so these are the pins which I pinned at the front of the t-shirt. Now I will measure how much I need to shorten this t-shirt by. So this is 8 centimeters on this pin, and on the second pin is about 7.5 centimeters. So I will go for 8 centimeters. Removing these pins, placing my pin cushion on my left wrist. And I'm folding this t-shirt so the right side is on the outside, and I'm measuring 8 centimeters for my new hemline, and I'm adding pins all around this t-shirt hemline at 8 centimeter measurement. New hemline on this t-shirt is pinned on this side and other side. Next, I will iron this new hemline. So I'm folding this edge where the pins are there, and I'm ironing this edge flat where the 8 centimeter measurement pins are. Moving these pins a little bit below so it keeps the ironed edge sharp. Like that, and I'll repeat the same process all around this t-shirt hem. My new hem is ironed, as you can see, front and back. So this is ready for sewing. I'll be using this twin needle, which is twin stretchy needle, to shorten my hem, and it looks like that. I have a full DIY tutorial how to use this twin needle. I'll link that tutorial down below in the description box. So I have threaded and added this twin needle on my sewing machine already, and I have added 3 threads, as you can see here, and I'll be using tension on number 4 and straight stitch, which is A, and stitch length will be on 3. Before I sew, I will cut out this care label because it is too close to my new hemline, and I will re-sew this label back on later. And I have moved these pins a little bit lower so I can sew this seam easily, and the pins are on the wrong side of the t-shirt. Also, I'll be using this magnet, and the measurements for my new hemline will be 1.5 centimeters. Placing my new hemline under the sewing machine foot. The reason why I'm using this magnet, so the distance between edge and the seam is the same and it is smooth. And now when I will sew, I'll stretch this fabric slightly so the seam is stretchy. I have nearly reached the other seam. I will sew over this seam approximately 4 centimeters so it secures this seam. So I have finished sewing my hem and it looks like that. So this is how it looks when I overlapped the seams there. And this is how it looks On the right side, double seam there, as you can see, nice and stretchy, and this is the wrong side. Before I cut this excess fabric off, I will sew this care label back on this seam. I have changed my twin needle to a single needle. So the care label is sewed back on, so I know the washing instructions, and it looks like that. Next I'll finish this hem, removing these pins from the inside of the hem all around. Next I'll secure these threads. Next I'll use these pinking shears, which look like that, and I'll cut off this excess hem off. I'm cutting a small hole with the regular scissors, and I'll cut off this excess hem off quite carefully, not too close to the original seam, so I don't cut the seam open. So I'm cutting this excess fabric off very, very carefully all around this hemline. And this is how it looks. I'll use this cut of fabric for something else. And the hem on this t-shirt is finished. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Last thing what I need to do is to iron my new hem flat. And this is how it looks on the inside. And this is the right side. So this is t-shirt length before. And this is after. I'm really, really happy with my new hem on this t-shirt. If you have any questions how I shortened this t-shirt, please comment down below in a comment box. I have other t-shirt shortening tutorials, go check it out on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.